What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for HBAR. You guys can see that the market here on the current time frame of 4 days is in a downtrend. I mean, we talked about it a couple of weeks ago for HBAR, and the market has moved in that direction. We're just trying to figure out, okay, at what point will these buyers come into the market for HBAR? You can see that the low that occurred right here on this 4-day bar is exactly where the market is bouncing again. So this may be a bottom momentarily for the market in HBAR before we resume to lower prices, or this could actually be the bottom and the market will continue to ascend higher over the next couple of weeks. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. Before I do, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys also tap that bell notification for more of our information. So here it is. We did the price prediction on the 6th of June, anticipated the market to go down. You guys can see on this particular day, June 10th and the 11th, the market got rejected on this downtrend, which everyone see, and actually confirmed it the next day on the 12th. So pretty good call there. The market hit ultimate TP price of 13.26% on what is that day? The 20th of June. So about 4 days ago. So let's go ahead and get rid of that prediction. We will also continue to go forward with the overall downtrend into the market in HBAR, because you can tell that price yesterday and even today is coming through, hitting that trend line. We will also delete these buy pockets here into the market in HBAR because those buyers ultimately didn't show up, but they did show up here. Okay, so we're going to create that as a buy pocket because they first, and I'm talking about the buyers first came into the market on April the 7th. Price came back to that pocket and they reactivated. They came back and wanted to buy more HBAR into this market. So currently, yesterday was a fantastic day that gave us that confirmation that buyers were there within this pocket buying HBAR. Now the test is, will the buyers ultimately break this downtrend? Okay, so let's look at this on the 2. So here's the market in HBAR on the 2. Yes, that 2-day price bar does look pretty strong, with us over the last 2 days seeing the market dip into that buy pocket with the price closing at the high of the bar. Here it is on the 3, pretty much the same thing. Buyers became active. It's what this 3-day price bar is representing. So it doesn't mean that price isn't going to go back down to test to see if these buyers really want control of the price. It could definitely come all the way back down to the pocket to see if buyers will buy again. Here it is on the 4, HBAR on the 5, and the weekly. So this is the weekly chart right here in HBAR, which lets us kind of think this market may not be finished with going down. Now, it'll be one thing for us to see last week price in HBAR go down, and then this current weekly price bar, if it closes back up here at the high of the prior week, then that tells us that, yeah, this market may have found the bottom, at least momentarily, to see it consolidate. HBAR on the 2. Last 2 weekly price bar is not strong. Here's on the 3. Same thing on the 3. The last printed 3 weekly price bar is not strong. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Okay, so quickly looking at this on the hourly chart, 5-hour time frame. Like I said, market is pretty bullish. We are testing this particular area right here as a sell pocket. And then up here. Here it is on the 330. One-hour chart. Here it is on the 3. Guess what do you guys think? I definitely would like to have price hold this pocket of buying right here for HBAR for us to see a continuation to move higher, and I don't want to see the price break below that area. And then again on this one too. Okay. So I think there's a little bit of momentum for HBAR to try to continue to go higher. Maybe on this first sell pocket, which is only like 4% move higher from where price currently is trading. at 15.5 cents, almost 16 cents. That second target will be at that second sell pocket, 7.5% there. So I'm not saying that this market is massively bullish. We definitely need to see buyers hold price once it tries to break through these two sell pockets in order for us to really see this market have a bigger breakout. So I'm pretty much waiting to see if that's going to happen before I will actually induce a longer idea of looking for HBAR to go a lot higher. So those are our first two targets. I'm going to include this third sell pocket just in case the market becomes massively bullish. But as right now, considering what we've seen on the weekly charts, I definitely need to see this market break this sell pocket, these two sell pockets here. Okay. So that's it right now. We'll continue to view the market in HBAR as we get more information on the daily time frame to see if we need to adjust anything. But as right now, this is it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.